veal fat?
What?
Veal fat congeals when it's cold. So
Yeah. No, that's right. So fire.
I'm calling bullshit on this scene. Okay, the things that are true about this scene. The desire for consistencies on certain components is absolutely true. The idea that if you have a recognizable texture, aka a Haribo gummy bear, that you happen to really be able to point to that and you say, I love the texture of that. Wouldn't it be cool if we could take these plums and have them have the texture of Haribo gummy bears? That is the inspiration of countless dishes on menus across the world. The problem is the R&D that happens, the artificial flavorings that are used, even if you want to use like a genuine, like you want to use plum juice, if an R&D team happens to be using a essential oil or an alcohol or something to flavor whatever candy that they're making, by definition, you aren't going to be able to achieve that texture because you're using a different base. Like if they're using an oil and you're using something that's water-based, you have to add different things to be able to nail that texture. And so sometimes you can't get it quite right. And so you might have to adjust over and over and over again. I'm going to kind of call bullshit, but the process of constantly tweaking, the desire to have different textures be represented in a dish, that part is true. I don't think cracking the nut on using veal fat